Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send WhatsApp campaigns. So first, as you have already purchased your number and enabled it for WhatsApp, using our previous videos, I have shown you how you can purchase a number, how you enable it for WhatsApp, doing the integration. So we'll just review our number in account setting. Go to phone number, make sure your number is available. So I have my WhatsApp number available over here. So I'll use this number to send WhatsApp campaign. Go to campaigns, go to WhatsApp campaign. Here you can see list of campaigns, but you can create your new campaign over here. Before you create, you first import your audience. Go to audience manager and you create a group. Go to manage group, create a group. Today's date is 2nd November group. Just created a group. I will import audience in this group. Go back to manage contacts, import contacts. So I will import some contacts from file. So these are two contacts I have. I'll import them in my CRM messaging to a file. So I got a CSV of it and I just added it. Now I can see a preview of my file, name, email, phone. I need to add the purpose. Purpose is WhatsApp campaign. I need to map the fields, name, email, phone, and I select a campaign group name. Confirm the import. Now in my group, I have both of the contacts added. Now I'll go back to WhatsApp campaign and start creating campaign. Number offer. Choose my sender ID, WhatsApp campaign, recipient. I'll choose the group name. So here you need to ensure that you are sending a template because templates will always go to the end user. So you should always send templates. So because even if the conversation window is not open, so templates will still be delivered to all the recipients. I'll select a template with the image. So this template has some variable and some file. So I'll use the merge tag for name and some file. I'll use a file like this. I'll save it. Now I'm good to go and send the message. I click on schedule. I can schedule for now or later. I'll do now. Now it is processing. Within few seconds we see it is completed and it is delivered. So now we can see the message. So we can open our WhatsApp and see if it is delivered. So we can see the message is delivered over here. So that's how you can send WhatsApp campaigns, and you can see analytics around it over here. Also you can just see analytics, and you can open it to see more details around the WhatsApp message. Hope this is clear. Have a good day. Thank you.